Jargow, you were one of the people who have come to the Faroe Islands to participate in the festival Við Múrin. What's your agenda here at the Við Múrin?
Yeah, I'm covering all the Faroese bands for the Finnish audience. So I'm interested in all of the Faroese bands.
So you're from Finland?
Yep.
And what's your work in Finland?
I'm working in one of the biggest internet medias for the independent music, like smaller bands in Finland and of course in abroad.
And what will you tell the Finnish people about the festival Við Múrin?
Yeah, the setting is just beautiful, all the mountains. We don't have any mountains in Finland, it's really great. Okay, today the weather is a little bit like down, but Thursday it was just great. And all the bands, I have heard many interesting bands. I'm going to interview them next week, and there's many interesting sounds. Like you are, how do I say it, nicely mixing your own culture into pop music, and I like that.
What's your favorite band, the favorite Faroese band?
I have to say on Thursday I like most of 200, the funk band. Okay, it's pretty simple and clean, and they have political saying that I don't really understand, but they sounded so tight. Today I missed the boys in the band that I was really looking for, but I'm seeing them at G Festival, so because I was interviewing tour.
How long are you going to stay in the Faroe Islands?
29th, so I'm going to see the G Festival and also some of your national holiday and